Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Wednesday to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. Good news for you when it comes to the Halloween forecast and the rain chances. Look like things are going to drop off and slow down, which means the opportunity for rainfall is going to be later as we go through tomorrow night into very early on Friday as opposed to Thursday evening. So good timing on that respect. Much cooler by the weekend as well. And this weekend, daylight saving time will also be coming to an end. So here's the forecast for tomorrow for Halloween, mid-70s to near 80. We're going to be in record territory for tomorrow, and then Friday we're back to around 60. Still not that bad, but certainly cooler, and it will cool down even more for Saturday and Sunday. So the updated trick-or-treat forecast, it is looking better. Upper 60s back to mid 60s. A lower opportunity for a couple of showers, a few stray showers, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. But I think the vast majority of us are going to have to wait till after midnight for that chance for showers. Wind won't be bad either from the south, around 5 to 10, 5 to 15 miles an hour. Not too bad wind-wise at all. Here's what we have going on temperature-wise right now. A mix of 60s and some 70s. Pittsburgh a warm 76. Syracuse 72. New York holding at 70 right now. Radar satellite showing that we have some of the cloud cover out there. We'll continue with a mostly cloudy sky for tonight. You can see the main area of rain to our northwest and back to our west as well. Eventually, this storm system is going to move in. It's going to lose a lot of its punch as it does. We'll have a better chance for a few showers Thursday night into very early on Friday. I think the rest of the day Friday generally dry. Saturday and Sunday a couple of dry days, and then early next week we'll have an additional chance for some showers around 10-day temperature trend. I mentioned that normal high of 52 this time of year. Way above that tomorrow, upper 70s near 80. Still low 60s Friday. Below normal highs for Saturday and Sunday. We try to warm it back up a little bit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and then we drop back down into the 50s and 40s by the end of next week. Futurecast for tonight. Looking at a mostly cloudy sky. We're back in the mid-50s to start the day on Halloween. For Halloween afternoon, stopping it at 5 o'clock. 78 degrees for the high. We're going to stop it at 7 o'clock. That's the core of the trick-or-treating time frame. Should be just fine. Same thing around 8 o'clock. Notice a few showers back to the west, and some of those try to get closer even by midnight. I think most of us still dry, but as we head toward 2 a.m., a few showers around for Friday morning, very early in the morning. 60 to start the day Friday, a couple lingering showers to the southeast. Those move away, and by afternoon, we still have some clouds around. Could be a little spot of drizzle here and there, but 61 degrees, still on the milder side for Friday. Will cool down even more Saturday and Sunday. Tonight, we're back down into a mix of only low to mid-50s for most of us under a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, looking at highs, a mix of 70s to near 80 degrees, exceptionally warm southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Here's that 7-day forecast. Temperatures go from the upper 70s to the low 60s to the upper 40s. A 30-degree drop going from Thursday to Saturday. Daylight saving time ends Saturday night. We're setting those clocks back 1 hour before we go to bed Saturday night. Early next week, a chance for a few more showers, trying to warm it back up mid to upper 60s by next Tuesday and Wednesday. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Coming up next on Eyewitness.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Wednesday night to you, the eve of Halloween, and the weather forecast for tomorrow for the trick-or-treaters is looking better, and I'll detail that for you coming up here in just 1 second. Storm system slowing down a bit. It's going to allow us to get trick-or-treating in before the showers move in. Much cooler, though, by the weekend, and yes, this weekend is when daylight saving time comes to an end. Must-stop forecast tomorrow morning. We'll have some clouds, but it'll be dry. Temperatures mid-50s, and then as we go into the afternoon, we're still looking for a mostly cloudy sky, partly to mostly cloudy sky at least. 74 for the afternoon temperature, but a high in the mid to upper 70s. Look at these highs forecast for tomorrow. Utica upper 70s, Hamilton mid 70s, Rome upper 70s, and then we do drop back Friday around 60, even more so by the weekend. But yeah, tomorrow's going to be that last really warm day, but it does coincide with Halloween. Trick-or-treating should be just fine. Upper 60s, dropping back to the mid 60s between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Lower opportunity for showers. I think our better rain chances come in after midnight. Winds won't be bad either from the south, around 5 to 10, maybe 5 to 15 miles an hour. Temperatures in the region exceptionally warm. Cleveland and Detroit both sharing 70 degrees, still 68 in New York. Albany at 62, 68 in Pittsburgh. Radar satellite showing some of the cloud cover that's still hanging around. And there's lots of cloud cover. Then back to the west across the UP of Michigan, northern lower Michigan, stretching back through Wisconsin, back towards Iowa. That's where the main batch of rain is. Thunderstorms as well, all moving off to the east, but the storm is going to lose some of the punch as it moves closer to us. So our rain chances will be there for the day on Friday, especially first part of the day. But Thursday night into very early Friday is the most likely time for us to see showers in the short term. And then early next week, we'll have an additional chance for some showers Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we do cool back down by then as well. In terms of our temperatures, though, we should be in the low 50s, well above that tomorrow, upper 70s, near 80, still low 60s Friday. And then we have upper 40s to mid 50s, certainly colder over the weekend. Try to warm it back up a little bit early next week. Then we drop back down for the second half of next week. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, dropping back to the mid 50s as we start off. Halloween, stopping in at 5 o'clock. Some cloud cover, yes, but that's it. 78 degrees for the high. Go to 7 o'clock, a core time for the trick-or-treaters. Looks just fine. Same thing for 8 o'clock, nothing to worry about. Head toward midnight. Clouds are thicker, showers still hanging out back to the west. I think by 2 in the morning, that's when we'll have a chance for a few showers. Those hang around early in the morning for the eastern, southeastern parts of the viewing area, but then they'll be out for the rest of the day Friday. 60 degrees to start the day. Clouds, could be some patchy drizzle left over, but outside of that, still relatively mild with highs still in the low 60s. Then we'll get colder for Saturday. Tonight, we're only dropping back into a mix of mid to upper 50s in a couple of spots. A few low 50s elsewhere, but generally 50s for tonight. Tomorrow, highs 70s to near 80, exceptionally warm, record warmth as a matter of fact. Southwest winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Great weather for the trick-or-treaters. First cold front comes in, we cool down Friday, that reinforcing shot of cold air. Upper 40s Saturday, low 50s Sunday. We're setting those clocks back 1 hour before we go to bed this upcoming weekend, and then early next week, a chance for some more showers. Back to you.
Thank you, Brian. Coming up next on